Happy Saturday. It is Saturday afternoon and we've just been chilling today. I did a little meal prep again for the week. I did this really yummy orzo salad and I'm very excited to have that for our lunches. I'm probably gonna make a soup also because I know we're gonna finish the orzo salad pretty quick. And now we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna go to IKEA. We're gonna go get a desk for the office and we're probably gonna go exchange the Nespresso pods also, which you guys know if you've seen my last week's vlog. Also just like this vlog in general, I miss my iced coffees. So we're gonna go exchange the Nespresso pods. I'm very excited about this. Also, I wanted to show you guys my little outfit that I'm wearing right now, but I am gonna change, not like the entire outfit, but I still am gonna change out of this outfit. So I just wanna show you what I'm wearing. Okay, so I've got the top that I got yesterday from First Health, it's apparel, and then I'm wearing these joggers from Dynamite and this little zip up vest from Aerie that I got a few years ago. But I just wanted to show you guys like the top. Like honestly, I'm obsessed. I think it looks so good. It hits such a good spot. Like it's not too long where it just like rolls up when you're wearing it. I don't know, like I'm obsessed. I think it looks so good. I love the color and I love that it's ribbed material. And I thought it looked so cute with my joggers. So this is my little outfit for today. But I am gonna change. I'm gonna put leggings on, but I think I'm gonna keep the top and the vest and then I'm just gonna put my puffer over, I think. Although it's very cold outside, so like I'm not sure, but that's the outfit situation right now. So I'm gonna change and then we're gonna head out. You guys, we just took some really cute pictures right here. This is kind of like the background. Also, don't mind the window from the car. It is absolutely dirty. But like this corner right here is so cute. I feel like I could take such cute pictures right here and like all on this road. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we go that way to go home. So I think this is gonna maybe be one of the new corners that I would love to come to take pictures, but it is so cold outside.
Nice place.
It's
and
very...
I feel like, yeah, right now it's very cold, but...
Oh. Like, we were out there for how long, you think?
Not even 5 minutes.
Well, I think we were out there for 5, but like maybe 10. Like not even 10 minutes, okay? And it got so cold. Like my face is red in the pictures. Like
hands.
My nose looks red in the pictures. Did you notice?
A little bit. Oh,
so red. Oh, there's a Starbucks. So we could, but like honestly, I would love to come back here to take some pictures. And there's a Starbucks, so we could get like coffee. Yeah, and we can park anywhere on the road. Like there's so many parking spots.
There's a bunch of little
and
bistros.
Look, it's like for 90
pubs.
minutes. Like we can park here for 90 minutes.
There's pubs, bistros.
Yeah, oh look at that. That's so cute.
Wow.
Like this is a very like cute street, so like we could definitely come take pictures. And then I think Lululemon's up there also, and get a coffee. Right? Yeah, on the corner. So I feel like that could be fun. What is that mix? I feel like I've heard of that before.
Parking everywhere.
Yeah, there's literally parking everywhere, so we could definitely do that. So yeah, we just took some pictures. Anyways, we went out. I got the Nespresso pods, which I'm very happy about. I'm gonna be able to make iced coffees tomorrow. The girl was so nice. So apparently we weren't allowed to exchange Nespresso pods after more than
2 weeks.
2 weeks,
days.
yeah, 14 days. And we've had these Nespresso pods for such a long time. And I didn't know that. Like I thought we could just exchange them. Like this has never been a problem before. Like we've exchanged them before and we've never been told. Yes, you want to keep going straight here.
Park.
Oh, you never mind. Sorry. It's because we usually turn over there. I got confused. And she was like, yeah, you can't exchange them if it's been more than 2 weeks. And we had bought them beginning of December 5th to be more precise. And then like, honestly, I wasn't rude about it. Like just because we didn't know, like I just wasn't rude about it. And like, there's no point in being rude. Like if that's store policy, picking a fit. No, exactly, and picking a fit for that is not gonna like do anything. And then the girl was like, you know what, I'll do an exception for today. So like, karma is a thing, guys. Good karma is a thing. I literally was just like, okay, no problem, like that's fine, we'll just buy other Nespresso pods, like I have no problem with that. And she was like, you know what, like we'll do an exception for today. Like she was the nicest girl I've ever met at Nespresso. I feel like their employees are so nice. They're always so nice. And then we went to IKEA. We got a desk, you guys, and I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna build it tonight. I think I want to do that. I'll probably, oh yeah, we can build it together, but if you don't feel like it, well, I don't mind building it, like then we'll build it together. So we're gonna build the desk together tonight. And I never showed you guys the outfit that I was wearing to go out, but I'm wearing my the same top that I was wearing with the little zip-up vest, and then I just put some black leggings on. But yeah, we got a desk. I got a little like clothing rack to like hang some clothes when I'm filming, like a haul or stuff like that, which is so exciting. I've been wanting one for a while, and I got one from IKEA that was $15, which is like such a good price for that kind of item, so I'm very happy about that. And then we got the desk, so we're gonna build that. We got some espresso pods. I got a cute Instagram pic that I'm very excited about, and then we're probably gonna come back out tomorrow to take some pictures, and I want to come back on that specific road, just crossing our fingers that it's not as cold. But if it is, we'll probably go to like Starbucks to get a drink before like walking around. We'll make sure to bundle up, right? So I'll probably like have a few outfits for my pics, and then I'll have like an outfit for when we're like walking around or something like that. And there's also a Farm Boys, and I've always like, well, not always, but I've wanted to go for a few like weeks now to Farm Boy, and we don't have one where I live. There's just one like on the Ontario side. There's none in Quebec, so that's what I want to do. Like I want to go to Farm Boy and see what they have, because apparently they have a lot of good things. So that's probably going to be in tomorrow, in like the part of this vlog that is going to be tomorrow. So anyways, I just wanted to update you guys. We went out, and now we're going back home. What is up? Happy Sunday morning. I'm currently filming a separate video, so I vlogged a bit of like my morning routine in that video. It should be up like in the next few days. So yeah, you guys can check all of my Sunday morning routine in there. But I wanted to show you guys my breakfast, and I showed it in this video also. But I've got this like omelet in a tortilla wrap with some turkey bacon, and it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. I did a little workout this morning on the treadmill actually, so not really a workout, but I walked. I did the 12-3-30 in my new workout set, and I'm obsessed. I love the workout set. It's so good. And what else did I do? I don't know. I didn't do too much, but I just did like my normal routine. And then I'm so excited to make iced coffee later in like a few hours, or like an hour or something like that. It's gonna be so good. My iced coffee, I'm so excited. Also, Alex and I have been watching Too Hot to Handle, and we usually watch the season like so fast because there's not too many episodes, so that's what we're watching this morning while we eat breakfast. And I mean, this season it's interesting. I think it's funny. Like it's one of the funniest seasons I've seen so far. So I don't know, we're having fun watching it. What is up, you guys? I got ready, did my hair, did my makeup. I'm actually going out to take some Instagram pictures, which I'm very excited about. As you guys know, I took one yesterday and it turned out really great. But I do want to take a few more for my Instagram feed. So I'm trying to post minimum 5 times a week, but I've been posting 4 times a week, which is not what I want to do, but like, it is what it is. Like sometimes it just happens. So anyways, I want to take a lot of pictures, and I really want to post 5 times a week, and I'll see if I'm able to like keep up with it. And if I'm not able to keep up with it, then I will go back to 3 or 4 times a week. But yeah, for now I'm trying to do 5, so I'm getting ready. And I wanted to show you guys the office, what it looks like. It's not done, but it looks pretty good. Okay, so first off, we've got the new desk right here with my computers for work, the chair, and then we also have some Alex drawers that are gonna go over here or on the other side. I think I'm gonna put them on the other side. And then right here, we've got the treadmill. So this is where I do my little treadmill in the morning when I feel like it, which is, well, today was the first time I was using it, but I just wanted to show you guys our little setup. So yes, this room is very crowded right now, but it's a second bedroom, and like none of us sleeps in here, and whenever we do have guests, like it's fine, like they can sleep in here. At least they have a bed to sleep on. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna head out. Okay, I just got ready. This is my same outfit that I was wearing in last week's Week in My Life to go take pictures. Hopefully today the cars start and I'm able to get a picture in this outfit, because I was so excited last week to get a picture in this outfit, and I didn't get to do it, and I was very sad about it. So yeah, and I've also planned a few different outfits. Also, I really want to take a picture in a grocery store. I've been seeing a lot of girls do this lately, and I really want to do it also, but I'm sort of shy of doing it. Like I'm shy to do so, but we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, and it's gonna look super cute. I'm gonna be so happy that I do it, but I'm also gonna do it not in like my nearest grocery store. I'm gonna go like further away and do it in that grocery store, because I do not want to see anyone that I know while I take this picture. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna head out really soon, because it's already like mid-afternoon, and I don't want to lose the light, although the days are getting longer, as I've mentioned, I think a little earlier in this video. So we're gonna get a little bit more lighting today for a little bit longer. That's what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to finish getting ready. I've got my outfits planned out. I just want to see like what else I want to do for outfits, and then we're gonna head out and I'm gonna bring you guys along. I don't know how cold it is outside, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna vlog outside. So we'll see, but hopefully I can show you guys a bit like where we're taking the pictures. We're gonna go to the same place that we went yesterday, so that's what we're gonna do, and I'm very, very, very excited to do so. All right, you guys, we made it to the car to go take pictures. Good news, the car started, so I'm gonna be able to get some pictures today, which is great. We did start the car yesterday, so if it wasn't starting today, I would have been like questioning like if the car is okay or not. But thank God it started. We're heading out to go take some pictures. I'm very excited to see the outcome of these pictures. All right, so we found this cute little, is this like a chapel?
I think so, yeah.
Did it say chapel? So we found this little chapel right here that I can take pictures, and like honestly everything around the chapel is so cute. There's literally like, I'm not like, it's too far away, like not too far, but like we walked around and there's like little benches. I think I want to come back next week for different pictures. Oh my God, I need to take a picture next week in front of those doors. You see those garage doors right there? I need to take a picture next week right in front of those. Also, like, how cute is this little setup here and here? I think I found my new favorite location to take pictures. And I think that during the spring, it's gonna look so nice. So I'm very excited. Like, this is exciting. Like, we found a really cool spot to take pictures. I'm excited about this. My hands are freezing, so I'm gonna put you guys away, take a few pictures, and I have to take my coat off for these pictures. So wish me luck. All right, you guys, we took a few pictures, and I wish I could have brought you guys along, but it was freezing outside, and I had to like take my coat off and everything, and I was so cold. My fingers, I couldn't even feel them. But we made our way to Farm Boy, and I'm a bit stressed because it looks super, super busy. So I think I'm gonna be very shy to take a picture in like the produce section, so wish me luck. Also, we are here because I really want to see what they have, because I think they have a lot of really good like healthy foods. That's what I've seen, like healthy recipes, like pre-made stuff. So I'm excited to see, but there seems to be so many people here, so I'm crossing my fingers that there's not too many people and that I'm able to take my picture. Okay, we went in. I got my picture. Honestly, I don't think...
Turn left onto Island Park Drive.
I don't think anyone knew that I was taking a picture, so I'm like really happy about that. But also, like, Farm Boys is so cool. Like, they have a salad bar, pasta bar, they have like a pizza bar, or the pizzas were already made though, right?
Yeah, but they have like things cut up. Well, like you can buy the dough, the sauce, and all the things to like, make it yourself.
Literally, if you don't have a lunch and you're just looking for a lunch, like you can go in and get a lunch, which is so, so cool. And we got a few things, and I think I'm gonna use one of the things tonight for dinner. Okay, so we got this chili lime dressing, and I think it could definitely marinate like some chicken in here and cook that for dinner. I think that could be so good. And then maybe put some on top of like veggies and make some sort of a chicken bowl with it. And then we got, how are these called? We got chocolate croissants. I don't know if you guys watched all of my Vlogmas videos. Yeah, again, because we did get some during Vlogmas, and they were so good. You remember, they were so good.
They were very good.
But like,
the oven and...
oh my God, yeah, it was amazing. But you guys, I don't think the ones that I bought at Walmart will compare to the ones that I just got at Farm Boy. You guys are not ready. Okay, you guys are just not ready. Let me show you guys what these look like. Look at these, you guys. Look at these. These look like I just got them in a bakery. These look so good, and they're huge. There's only 4. Yeah, they look like someone just got them out. And honestly, I would see us being at a cafe and then someone bringing this out when I asked for a chocolate croissant with like a really warm cup of coffee. Like, yum, this looks so good. For tomorrow, I'm excited to try these, and now I'm excited to go make dinner. We were actually talking about dinner earlier, and I was like, I don't know what I'm making tonight. Like, I have no inspiration these days, and now I'm gonna use the chili lime sauce, or lime chili, I don't remember, chili lime sauce.
The one we just bought.
Yeah, and I think it's gonna be so good, so crossing my fingers. Also, like, all the ingredients on here, like, you kind of already know what it is, and it's super easy and simple. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, obviously you guys won't be able to read them because it's like the camera's shaking because we're in the car. But anyways, I just wanted to show you what we got at Farm Boys, and then I also got a really good Instagram picture, which I'm very happy about. All the Instagram pictures that I took today, I'm very happy about. And then I also took one yesterday, so very happy about all of this. What is up, guys? So I just finished cleaning up the kitchen with Alex, but we had dinner and I did chicken with the chili lime sauce, and I also did some shrimp with it, and it was so good. Honestly, I thought it was really good. I feel like, right? I really liked it. I feel like, you know, it would be really good, although I know you don't really eat shrimp, but I feel like if we had like popcorn shrimp or like deep fried shrimp with that sauce would be so, so good. It almost tasted like a, I don't know, like a poke bowl, but not a poke bowl, but it was really, really good. And now we heated up one of the croissants and we split it in half. We're gonna share and we're gonna eat that. And then I would love to build the Alex drawer that I got yesterday with Alex at IKEA, and I would love to build my little clothing rack also, but we shall see if we end up doing that. What is up, you guys? It is the next day, so I'm coming on to end this vlog. We did end up building the Alex drawers and the clothing rack, but that will be in next week's vlog, so don't forget to subscribe down below if you don't want to miss that vlog. I'm actually starting that vlog right now, so yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.